Hey to all my reel seekers, welcome back to Vanna Reels. Thank you for tuning in with your girl again. So I'm coming at you today with a packing video. We are going across the globe to Thailand. If you can't tell already by my voice, I am super excited to go on this trip. We're going for one of my best friend's 30th birthday and we're about to have a ball. So I want to show you guys how I get ready and get packed for this trip, okay? So let's jump right into it with how I pack this bag. Yeah. I need to quit the singing. It's not for me. Something new this year that I wanted to add that I saw on another channel. If I can remember the channel name, I'm going to link it below. But this is pretty much a travel towel, which I thought was a good essential to bring. Usually Airbnb and hotel towels can come really small. So I like to have something that fits my body. And I thought this was pretty cool because look how big it is and it just fits. And look how I can hold it with a handle. Like, that's so quick and easy. I purchased a universal charger. I was trying to open it, but you get the drift. It's a universal charger. And I will link all items in the description box just to help everyone out with my Amazon affiliate links. So if you do have the opportunity to purchase, make sure you use my links. Also had to get boob tape because yes, you can travel with your strapless bra, but sometimes you have backless items, especially with those warmer climates. You need boob tape. Like, it's way better. Although this is a little more brown than my complexion, I just like to purchase this style because I can still cover it up and still utilize it. And then it came with these pasties as well, these lace pasties. I don't know if I'll be utilizing these, but I thought that was pretty nice. So if I don't need boob tape and just need a pasty, I could definitely wear these. So not bad. Also send this with instructions on how to apply boob tape. So if you're a beginner with boob tape, I would say also keep this in your box because I think it's a good instruction on how to help yourself. Next item is a travel fan that I'm going to utilize for when I get hot. Baby, I get sweaty, okay? So let me tell you, once this thing is charged, I'm gonna need it because I don't know how I made it through previous summers without getting one of these, but this summer, I am not gonna be lacking because guess what? Guess who's not sweating their hard-earned makeup off? Not me, I'll tell you that. I'm telling you now. So it came with this rechargeable USB cord, so I can go ahead and recharge this. I don't have to use like single operated batteries. It does come with this rechargeable battery in the back, but that is just what you're charging when you stick that USB port in. Put this back together. I'm about to break this shit. I ain't even used it. And then you just turn on the front. Oh, it's charged. Oh, girl, it got different speeds. Oh, baby. Okay, it's just, we have 1, 2. We have a 3-speeder. Baby, let me tell you one thing I won't be lacking. Okay? I will not be lacking. That is what I won't be. I won't be lacking because, girl, we are prepared. Look, I am your... Okay, next item is I purchased another 128 gig Sandisk. This is my favorite size to work with. It's the most affordable SD card. It's usually around $15 to $16, sometimes $17, but as of right now, I just purchased it for $15.99. So also, I'll be including this in my Amazon link, but this is my favorite one because you usually get about between I think 9 hours of video time, 7 to 9 hours of video time, depending on your camera. But for this camera I have an EOS M200. I get about a good 8 hours of video time if I don't take pictures on that SD card. I get about a good 8 hours of filming, and usually my content is like 15 to 30 minutes. It just depends. So this is another great item to have on your trip. I suggest traveling with 1 to 2 SD cards. 3 if you just want an extra third one, depending on how much content you're going to film. But definitely take a Nest with you. Extra, extra, extra. This was really like half $3.99, half $2.24 because I definitely wouldn't purchase this the other day at Target because I think I used the original one. But yeah, girl, if you get a dentist kit and you know you're about to travel, just go ahead and save it. Don't use it and buy another toothbrush to switch out, because you should be switching out your regular toothbrush. But when I travel, I like to take something outside of the toothbrush I'm using in the house, because I just think that's more sanitary, because it's something I can throw away after that trip. I just believe that when it comes to trips, you should just buy that toothbrush for that trip and throw it away. That's why I invest in toothbrushes from the dollar store. Target has them for cheap, but I just feel like throw it away. It's disposable. If you take your electric toothbrush on your travel trips, that's fine. That's your thing. You can keep doing that. Here are some more of my items that I purchased from Target. Honey pot wipes. I love these because when it's hot outside and you know you get a little sweaty down there, you might need some little singles disposable wipes that, you know, keep that kitty clean, okay? And then if you have allergies, you can get the non-drowsy allergy relief so you don't miss that party time, okay? Because nobody has time to be on vacation being a sleepy girl. So get that non-drowsy. When you're cleaning that Airbnb or your hotel room, get you some Clorox or Lysol wipes. Readily available at Target or Walmart. Or I'll link it in my Amazon. I'll link it below from Amazon. Tylenol, travel pack. Perfect. Hello. You don't want no headache on your trip? You pay too much money to go on that trip and have a headache. Get your Tylenol. Or if you like Advil, doesn't matter. Next, we have our off spray. You need this because the bugs can run rampant. So, squirt, squirt. I don't know why Honey Pot doesn't sell the wash in the travel size anymore, but I like to utilize this too. Shout out to Helena at the Sephora I went to in New Jersey. She was bomb, and I hope she is there next time I go back. But yes, she helped me pick out. First of all, I was in makeup. I was looking at the Makeup Forever counter, and I was telling her. She walked over and said hello, and I was telling her that I wanted to try the HD Matte Velvet powder, and she was like, I told her, I said I already matched myself, but I'm just looking for it in my app. So she saw me like going through my phone trying to get in my app. And she was like, well, let me know what shade you picked and I'm going to see if we can match it together. So she ended up picking up one and she didn't tell me what it was yet. So once I told her what color I was, while we told each other the same color, she picked out the 3N42. And we looked at each other and we just laughed because I'm trying to focus it. Yo, we just looked at each other and laughed because, like, why would she ever get my shade correct like that? Like, ma'am, who are you and who sent you here? What guardian angel of mine sent you to me today? That's how I felt. That's how she made me feel. And, you know what? I need to go on my receipt and write about her on Sephora's website because she just really didn't understand how she made my day. But, y'all know I like to ramble. So, I ended up getting this because in Thailand, it's going to be very hot. And I don't really want to wear my liquid foundation that much. And I know this has good coverage and I already use their liquid. So I decided that this will be a good key item to have on the trip for makeup because we'll be going out during the day. And I want to take content photos and I want to look good in them. So I want to have a little makeup on. I want to hide some of my blemishes. Then I was telling her, like, we were just going through a list of, she was like, well, what else do you need for your trip? Like, what do you need? So we just going down a list of items we needed and stuff like that. And she could tell, like, I wouldn't say I am still a beginner in makeup, but I understand makeup. I understand products. I understand product reviews. I understand what works for my skin, really. So the conversation can be guided a little better. And I feel like that's why me and her hit it off so well because, like, I could articulate to her what I was really looking for. So she ended up pointing me to the Sephora because I wanted to use my merchandise credit. I wasn't trying to spend a whole bunch of money because you know they got to upsell you and everything. So, But I was not. I was trying to utilize that sale, that 30% off Sephora collection. So she went ahead and picked out this amazing palette for me that is a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. And baby, she put it on my hand and she matched it on. I can't get it out of the box. She matched it on my hand and she showed me and she said, "You gonna look good in this." And I did not disagree because look at these colors. Y'all can probably see my TV, but look at these colors, baby. Look at these colors. Like, tell me I'm not gonna be a baddie. Like, what are you saying? What are we saying? So the next item that she pointed me in the direction of was the Summer Fridays lip butter balm, and I was like, "Oh, my best friend uses this." I was like, "Yes." So she showed it to me, and she was like, "This is gonna look good on you." She says, "Easy as effortless," and I was like, "Well, I use the Fenty Sweet Mouth." Plug me. Hello, hey Riri, love you, girl. Love that Sweet Mouth. She went ahead and paired me with this lip pencil from the Sephora collection. It's in the color, I don't know what color this is, but she said it's like their best brown. Oh, it's molasses. It's number 17 molasses. So I'm going to put these together and see what they look like. But she told me this is like their best color lip liner for the Sephora collection. So I definitely had to go ahead and snag me one of these. And it was the last one. Another item I really love are these LA Splash Cosmetics 5-pack. Now, a lot of people like to spend money on their lashes. I like to spend that good old $5.99. Let me show it to you. Baby, that good old $5.99. Got a cute set of lashes and enough for each day of the trip. Hello. Okay? That's all you need. I'm not spending $20 per lash. I went ahead and got some minis of my Tarte concealer from Target because they were on sale a couple weeks ago, so I definitely snagged those. But I should have picked out a lighter color because I wanted to do the the lighter concealer hack. But this is my original shade, but I ended up picking a deeper shade. But I'm just going to contour this and see what happens. We'll see. I bought the kids version because somebody said you could just buy the kids version and it's just cheaper. Like, it's the same formula. So I went ahead and bought the kids version because this was $11.99 compared to the $15 I paid for the smaller bottle. Girl, don't get me started. But I have the kids version. But the only thing is, I can't take this through on my carry-on. I have to put this in my check luggage because it's so big. This is 6 ounces. And this thing is hefty. I mean, I don't know why I didn't think of this before. So here I wanted to show you guys how I pack my shoes, which later on I ended up changing a bit because I found these butterfly packing cubes at, I believe, TJ Maxx. And I was like, let me go ahead and just put my shoes in packing cubes because when I ended up essentially closing the suitcase with my shoes packed like this, they all ended up falling around. And it was just not really like, it was just going to be annoying once I got on the trip to have my shoes like that. Now here I'm just organizing my makeup kit and my skin kit. So I found this elephant print dual case that I can fit both my skincare essentials like smaller items and my makeup items in. So I was going through organizing that so I didn't have multiple makeup carrying cases. So I love this thing and I had the matching thing here, the second piece that you see, I have that also that matches, and those carried all of my skin and makeup essentials that I needed. Anything else that I had extra, I just carried it in my carry-on because we had layovers. So those were things that I needed to kind of like suffice during the layover, like brush my teeth and stuff like that, wash my face. I just had smaller items. And then here, you're going to see me still kind of like packing in some essentials like the little sewing kit. I always like to take that with me because it's very useful like for garment construction things that I need to fix and utilize for. Now here you pretty much see me finishing up my packing and go ahead and tying it up, seeing how much it weighs, just kind of by the lift. And yeah, that's pretty much how you pack with me. Thank you guys for watching.